Hello everyone, I am Rahmatullah from Tongwan Rflink. Today I am talking about our fiberglass products. I was take three fiberglass here. First one is like this. This one is also the fiberglass. You can check this is the N female connector. And if you need the modification of the color of these products, we can provide you. And the another one is this one is also the fiberglass antenna, but the difference this one there is the N male connector. And another one we have this one is also the fiberglass antenna, and you can check there is also the N male connector. And if you need the customization product, you can provide the size, different size, and you can also provide you the different color if you need. And also we are talking about the clamp. Actually, for connect this type of fiberglass antenna in your rooftop of your building, of your house, we need to use this type of connector. You can check. We can also provide you this type of connector to fix this fiberglass antenna. And also we have the cable. You can check, this is the cable. You need to also need this type of cable to fix this fiberglass antenna. We can use like this. We can fix by set up this one. And also this type of fiberglass antenna actually waterproof, weatherproof, and also there is no problem with the dust. If you take this type of fiberglass from us, we can provide you all of ensure about the product quality. Also check this one. This is the N male connector. You can check, and also you check the product finishing here. It's very good, and also you can check there the product finishing. It's very good quality products. And also I show you the another one. This one also is the N male connector. You check. And the product finishing here, it's very awesome. That's the product quality of our company is very good. And this one is the N female connector. See the product finishing, it's awesome. And also we provide the good quality product for our customers. And this is the clamp. We need to use this type of clamp to hanging this fiberglass antenna to house rooftop or building rooftop. And we also provide this type of cable. You can check. Provide this type of cable. Okay. And actually, these are fiberglass antenna. There is a lot of benefit, like the network quality. If you need the good quality of network inside of your house, inside of your home, you can use this type of fiberglass antenna also. Actually, the fiberglass antenna it's depend on the frequency. Which type of frequency do you need, and the location also. If the location is not good in your country or in your local, the area is a local area, then you should use the good frequency fiberglass antenna, because when you use the good frequency fiberglass antenna, then it will be good for you to get the good signal. So if you have any question about our products and about our company, you feel free to contact with me or contact with us. Thank you everyone to see my video.